So hello friends, in our previous video just we have learned to calculate the RII for the respective factor. So in this part we are going to find the rank for each RII. So at first we are going to find the rank for only the challenges, and the same procedure will be applied for the opportunities, and the same process can be applied for the other type of respondent like contractor or any other type of respondent. So in this video I'm going to find the rank for the challenges factor only, and the same process can be applied to any factor after finding the RII from our previous video. So to find out the rank of this respective factor of challenges, so we can see that for the challenges factor we have altogether 16 factor, and for this 16 factor we have calculated the RII, that is relative importance index. Now we are going to find the rank, and for finding the rank you have to write the rank in next column to the RII. Then you have to write this formula, and the formula will be like this. So I have to select the cell, then I have to click here, then I have to write equal to, then sum product, this is sum product, then bracket, then double bracket like this, that is this is one bracket and this is two bracket. Then you have to select the this cell, that is the first RII. Then after selecting this you have to write smaller than or equal to, that is this smaller than or equal to. Then you have to select the range. So we are going to find the rank for only this challenges, that is only this factor. So we are going to select the range from this up to this. So select the range in this way. Now we are going to fix this range, because this range will be fixed for this finding the rank for the challenges factor. So for fixing the rank you have to write the $sign before the variable and before the number, like this. Write $sign for fixing the range. Then after writing this you have to close this bracket, then you have to write divide sign, then you have to write the command count if, count, count if, then bracket, then you have to select the range, and for selecting the range you have to select the range of this from top to bottom of this factors. Then you have to fix this range. For fixing the range simply you have to write dollar, then again here before number $sign, here $sign, then you have to write comma. Then in the criteria section again you have to select the range. After selecting the range, then again you have to fix the range, then dollar, then fix, then you have to close the bracket. After closing this bracket, then again one bracket to close the final bracket. So this is the formula, that is at first you have to select the cell, then smaller than or equal to, then you have to select the range, then you have to fix that range by using the $sign in this way. Then you have to divide, then you have to write count if, then you have to fix the range, then comma, then again you have to select the range by fixing the range in this way. Then after writing this simply you have to press enter key, then you have to drag this to the specified range. So in this way we can find the rank to the respective RII that we have calculated from our previous video. So in this way, and the same procedure can be applied for the opportunities factor, and in your case the factor may be different but the process will be same for finding the rank. So before finding the rank you have to calculate the RII, and for calculating RII we can learn from our previous video. So after this finding the rank, in our next video we are going to find the correlation between the respondent. In my case, the respondent is client and contractor. So in our next video we are going to find the correlation between the client and contractor. So that's all for this video. So in this video just we have learned to calculate the rank, and if you like this video then please share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.